guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I was going to try to white out, but my whiteout is being done, so I am no longer going to be doing that for this time. But we are going to be planning the January in my catch-all planner. The kit I'm going to be using is from Sugar Pop Fizz. This is called Frosty. I do have it as a Monday start, so I have all the pages. And you can choose your sidebar, functional or deco, and I did the deco. I also have my scripts here from Planner Kate, and then I do have scripts from Black Mountain Plans that I'm going to be using, and you can use Amy B20 at Black Mountain Plans to get 20% off your order. So let's just jump right on into it. Not a lot. I don't have a lot to put down right now for January because I'm filming this a couple weeks early, and I just wanted to get it laid down right now because my husband and I are going to be away the 30th through the 1st for a anniversary trip, and so with us being gone, those 3 days I'm not going to be able to film, so I'm just trying to get my filming done. I have a couple of things to write down, but I really don't actually have a lot. Right now, and plus I don't have my date. Like, I have a couple dates for my husband, but I don't have a lot if he's going to be traveling or not. I'm going to be gone for a few days. Because this January is the month that my father passed a couple years ago, so I would like to go home and see my mom. And I need just a couple things open. The 31st, Tuesday. Okay. And there. So the first starts on Monday, or is Monday. So I hope you guys are ready for Christmas. Excuse me. I'm getting there, but not completely there. Can't believe that the year is almost over. Alright, so we're just gonna, which way did I put them on last month? Okay, I did them in that corner. Which way did I do them in the month? Alright, okay. So I'm gonna do them down here at the bottom. Sorry if you hear my TV. My Dircher is watching TV right now. So I'm just trying to film as much as I possibly can while she's, normally I try to do it while she's sleeping, but recently she's been awake. And that's okay. 8, 9. All right, I'm gonna fill this out, like go and put the date dots down, and I'll be right back. All right, that is done. I'm gonna put down these 2 boxes down here. Okay. And then I think I have been using that stuff, haven't I? Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna pull that off for now because I'm done with that sheet. I'm done with that sheet. Alright. Okay. So we will get paid before the 1st. But I'm gonna put the 1st and 15th down for payday. And then I have New Year's Day here, so we'll put New Year's Day up here. This New Year's Day is actually from a free sample from Planner Kate, and I do have the rest of them here. All right, so we come home from New York this day. Okay, so we're gonna just go ahead and put that down here. And then my husband goes back to work on the 6th. The 7th is our, yeah, we're gonna do blue. 6th year, and so we have been married 6 years. Man, I am not writing these right. Okay, let me check something and I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that. I had to check something. I do have a couple things I need to put down. Okay, the 21st at 11:55. Hair appointments. My kiddo and I, the 21st, I would have to be back on the 20th. Okay. My dad passed away. We're gonna do this. And I'm gonna do and that's passing. This is just his, the anniversary of his passing. He's been gone like 4 years. But 4 years too long. And then I do need to put this down. So I like marking with washi tape when my husband is traveling. And he will be traveling this week. Come on. I don't think I have a It's gonna be gone long, just a couple days. And then I think they're let me see. Yeah. So my husband will have off this day. For MLK. And then, okay. Okay, so now that I have that done, let's go and do our trash days. I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Four. And then here, and then I will have here. Yeah. Excuse me, I got a tickle in my throat now. Talking about my marking it in my planners for my dad's passing is really hard for me. So I miss him every day. Or, yeah, here. No. It will be here, yeah. It's just, yeah, it's just one of those things that I don't particularly like to mark, but I keep it in there because he was a big part of my life and I miss him. So I have therapy there and I'll have therapy here. And then that, I think, sums it up. Actually, I have some deco I can put down. Let's put down some of the deco. Just because we can, and we love it, and it's cute. So, I know right now that Sugar Pop Fizz is closed for the holidays. They will open back up, I believe, in February. I need to, when they open back up, I'll need to order some more kits, monthly kits. Because I have one more monthly kit and I'll use it for February, and then I need to get a couple for the next few months, which will be good because they have a couple cute ones. And my birthday is in June, so I really want to use the Dolly Parton Dolly Parton kit they have for my birthday. And we're gonna do a piece of cake right there because that's my anniversary. So I do have a lot left that I do end up using throughout the month. So when things pop up, I will go ahead and mark them down. But that is how it is. I absolutely love it. And I will see you guys in the next video.